Hello, so today we have a very special unboxing for many reasons. First reason is I finally hit not 1,000 subscribers, but 100 subscribers on my YouTube page, and I want to say thank you. Second reason this is special is because my first Hoya unboxing, as you may be able to already tell by this, is a Hoya. It is finally now truly mostly orchids and not only orchids. And third reason why this is special is because I am doing this in my bedroom because it is late and I had to work until 5 p.m. So daylight was gone by the time I got home, took a shower, ate, and was ready to be alive again. So let's get into this and I can show you what I got. So I ordered this from High Desert Orchids, and actually so I have this. It is a Brassavola David Sanders crossed with a Jiminy Cricket from High Desert Orchids. And I think that other one is the only one I've gotten from High Desert Orchids, but I do frequent their site because they have a lot of interesting things. And so I originally wanted to get this, I've been looking for this Hoya, and it was originally, I think, $50 for the 4-leaf cutting and $60 for the 6 to 8 leaf cutting. And then one day when I looked, it was half off. So I figured, let me just get a cutting or get one of these rooted Hoyas, because it is a fragrant Hoya and is a fuzzy Hoya. So here's the packaging. Very nice, very professional in my Shangela voice. Okay, that's a packing slip. Any goodies? No, I never get goodies. Some people always seem to get free stuff in their boxes. I am not one of those people. I got one free thing and in one order, and I ordered a Rescue Leodoro, and I got this No ID mini fowl as a gift because I guess she thought that the Leodoro was not going to make it, but my only free gift was a random No ID, but I'll take it. So let's get this baby out. So this shipped out from New Mexico, which is where High Desert Orchids is located. This shipped out on the 5th, and it got here yesterday, but I was so tired, and when I got myself together from working, it ended up being really late in the day, and I just didn't even want to bother. So if I can unwrap this guy. Okay, here it is. The baby. No. Okay, so this is, let me put it down on the table. So this is Hoya thomsonii, and I've been looking for these for a while. I'm really into fragrant Hoyas. I have a Hoya lacunosa, a Hoya species affinis Bertoniae, and a Hoya australis. They're all supposed to be fragrant. Actually, my Hoya lacunosa, let me show that to you. Look at my Hoya baby! It's got a peduncle. It's pregnant where it wants to be pregnant. Okay, so here is Hoya thomsonii. The lighting is kind of shit. Let me see if I can fix that. There we go. So here is Hoya thomsonii. Now the listing says that it was well rooted. I can't really tell, because Hoyas don't have they don't have orchid roots, let's just say that. When an orchid is well rooted, you can definitely tell. When a Hoya is well rooted, it seems to be more difficult to tell, but anyways, it's alive. It's got some leaves. The leaves don't feel super dehydrated. They're actually kind of rough, which I like. Somebody said that they were hairy, but I feel like this is more of like a sandpaper type feel. This is my Hoya thomsonii from High Desert Orchids. Very first Hoya unboxing on my channel, very special. And yeah, I paid $25. No, I paid $30 for the for this cutting. I guess I can call it a cutting since it doesn't seem to be that well rooted. Although, like I said, I can't really tell. So yeah, they still have some on High Desert Orchids if you want to get one. They are very inexpensive as far as Hoya thomsonii seem to go. They seem to be at least $50 or $60 whenever I've seen them. So this was a steal for me. Anyway, enough rambling. I'm gonna let you go. Oh, before I let you go, I am going to do some sort of giveaway on the YouTube channel. And I'm almost to 1,000 followers on my Instagram channel, and I will be doing a giveaway on that on my Instagram when I do reach 1,000. So stay tuned here and also on my Instagram page at Mostly Orchids for any giveaway updates. And I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.